The talk on the street, it's shaping up to be a rough day for Nifty, as conflicting signals from Washington and Tehran keep nerves on edge. The US and Iran continue to outline starkly different demands, dimming hopes of a quick resolution, while WTI crude near $93 per barrel is reigniting inflation concerns. Our call of the day: any fresh spike in oil can quickly rattle equities. More importantly, the street may be underpricing the energy shock, with the Strait of Hormuz unlikely to return to pre-war normalcy anytime soon, keeping risks elevated. Long story short, investors will be hoping and praying the Iran war doesn't spiral further. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Wednesday's bullish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1805 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 5430 crores. Sentiments are likely to be precarious for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate massive consolidation in a volatile trading environment. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has jumped towards 24.64 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, was seen hovering near 94.28 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.25 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 0.86. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to witness wild swings as Trump's peace talks remain in question and there appears to be no quick resolution to the Middle East conflict. Uncertainty persists, brace for volatility. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23306. Biggest support for Nifty is now placed at 23,050 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,000 and 23400. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 75273. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 73,800 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 74,849 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 74,500 to 75,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 53708. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,380 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,146 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,705 4100. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The positive takeaway from Nifty's Wednesday's trading was that optimism was seen returning at Dalal Street. That said, headwinds remain firmly in place, with a weak rupee and relentless FII selling continuing to cast a shadow. Despite Wednesday's positive session, FII selling persisted. Foreign institutional investors have offloaded nearly 107,010 crore rupees in March, marking the largest outflow since January 2025, a significant overhang for Indian equities. Long story short, optimism is aiming hard to be back, but liquidity pressure keeps markets on edge. Cash-in remains the buzzword. Stocks in spotlight. 1. TCS will officially certify the ceremonial starters pistol for India's fourth quarter earnings season for the fiscal year ending 2025-26 on Thursday, 9th April 2026. 2. Larsen, plus 3.77%, 3,649 rupees. Larsen & Toubro gained after its water and effluent treatment arm secured a significant water management project from the Guwahati Metropolitan Drinking Water and Sewerage Board in Assam. 3. Lupin, plus 0.68%, 2,348 rupees. Lupin gained traction after receiving tentative USFDA approval for its Phytolizin tablets, 4.45 mg and 17.8 mg. 4. BPCL, plus 0.81%, 284 rupees and 55 paise. BPCL rose after its JV Nuyen Green Energy secured a 10 KTPA green hydrogen supply contract from Numaligarh refinery. The company also commissioned its second-generation bioethanol refinery at Bargarh, boosting its green energy push.